I'm Meredith with XT, and in this video I'm going over a wheel and tire setup of 17 by 9 inch wheels and 31 by 10.5 inch tires on a non-lifted 2016 and newer Tacoma. In this video, I'll go over who this setup is ideal for, the clearance with these wheels and tires, and what to expect when driving with this setup on and off-road. Now, the combination of 17 by 9 inch wheels and 31 by 10.5 inch wide tires is a very popular setup with owners that have a 2016 and newer Tacoma with stock suspension, as you can see from pictures provided by Tacoma owners. Now, customers running this setup are mainly driving on-road with only occasional light off-road driving. This setup will give you a little bit more of an aggressive stance with a taller tire compared to stock. The width will be the same as a stock tire, and with this setup you will have clearance in the wheel well. This wheel and tire combo will fit all 2016 and newer Tacomas that have stock suspension without needing to make any modifications. Driving-wise, this setup is ideal for on-road driving and will be free from any rubbing on suspension components and the stock front bumper. For off-road driving, this setup will have limited capabilities and is best suited for light fire trail type situations. There are a few things to keep in mind when upgrading to a larger diameter tire like a 31. When driving on-road, the ride is going to feel a little bit more sluggish compared to stock tires. At 60 miles per hour, your speedometer will also read about 3 to 5 miles per hour slower than your actual speed because of the change to the bigger tires. That's not a big deal, and most Tacoma owners just keep that in mind when driving. Now, this can easily be corrected with a speedometer recalibration tool, which can be found right here on our site. We also recommend having an alignment done after you've installed your new wheels and tires. Now, if you do purchase a set of wheels and tires from ExtremeTerrain, we make it incredibly easy for you to get these onto your Tacoma. On our wheel and tire package pages, we have setups that you can have mounted, balanced, and shipped right to you. You can also choose to have Tpms Sensors installed in the wheels and tires. Now, Tpms stands for Tire Pressure Monitoring System and alerts you when your tire pressure is low. Now, if your Tacoma's stock tires came equipped with the Tpms sensors from the factory, then you will need to pick up a set of these for your new wheels and tires, otherwise you may see a warning light on your dash. Now, to ensure proper install of the wheels, we do also recommend picking up a set of aftermarket 12mm by 1.5 lug nuts to fit the smaller lug holes in most aftermarket wheels. Again, you can find those right here on our site, and then just have a jack, a lug wrench, and some elbow grease ready, and you'll have these on in no time. But if you have any questions about this setup for your Tacoma, you can call our customer service number and speak with one of our wheel and tire specialists. Again, this setup of 17 by 9 inch wheels and 31 by 10.5 inch tires on a non-lifted 2016 and newer Tacoma is a very popular setup with our customers, and will give your Tacoma a little more of an aggressive look with slightly taller tires compared to stock. Now, please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can see more videos just like these and tons of other product review and install videos right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.